Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on ULEFONE Note 16 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and click install. Then click open and click here to allow this app to manage your files, and now go back. Then you can decide if you want to use notifications from this app and click dismiss. And as you can see, my app is now installed and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.